Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Yo, what's going on? Welcome back. We have a 2009 Civic SI that we're going to do a full build on. Basically, short and long, a long block. Basically, pistons, rods, cams, everything. It's going to be a full build, so it's going to be an all motor build on this SI. All right, so let me just tell you the plan. Well, the short block is built already. It's totally done. I thought maybe we'll have to build it, but we don't. But we do have to pull the head off of here and rebuild it. So today I'm gonna try to get at least the head off, if not the whole engine out. It shouldn't take me very long. Probably about maybe 4 or 5 hours to maybe get it out. But I'm gonna try to get this done as soon as possible because I just want to get it done. So let's get started on that, getting this thing apart, and let's time lapse it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. Build a seed with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alrighty, so I know some of you guys wondering why I haven't pulled the intake off. The reason being because you have to pull the whole crankcase, ventilation and alternator and pulley off, because you can't pull off the intake because right here is where it's hitting. Now in the Element, it's just a tad bit different because I can pull the intake off and leave all that stuff on. So that was a little weird. Cause mine's, yeah, so it is just a tad bit different, but not much. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to pull off that crankcase cover.
No, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
All right, it's hot. So it's two parts of this service mode that you have to put the car in order to work on it. So the first part, just like a Honda Element, I'm gonna bring that up a lot. You're gonna remove the core support so you pull out the radiator so you get all front part of the engine. Piece of cake. Now the second part is because the engine is tucked so far back in there, you gotta remove this top fascia, and then it's another plate underneath there that needs to be removed also. So I had to look that up because I wasn't sure about that. I know that part comes out, but I just didn't know how. So I just looked it up real quick. Piece of cake.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Okay. All right, y'all, that's it. Got the engine out, sitting right there. What time is it? 1:11, so it took me, what, 5 hours? Yeah, we're gonna say 5 hours. I'm not sure if it was 5 hours, but it was close enough. So, next video, I'm gonna finish tearing that apart and cleaning it to rebuild it, new valves, springs, retainers, all that good stuff. You guys stay tuned, and I'm out.